Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing the oil change on the 328i. It has a stripped oil drain plug, so I had to buy some new ones. These are M12 by 1.5. It's the Dorman. It's the label. Then I had to get the extractor set from Harbor Freight. These are 3/8. I have a K&N oil filter, the gaskets, brush washer, and then some 5W40 Castro Edge. And then I have this oil filter wrench from Volvo. It's part number. So I got the car on the ramps. Put a jack stand there, just for extra safety. Chalk the rear wheels. All my tools, my oil pin. Now, my covers, or my under tray is missing all the covers, but yeah, it's kind of falling down. It's missing some bolts. But this right here is where you would actually jack up the car in the front. And then the second one is where the plug's gonna be. So I'm just gonna take that off. So I couldn't get the drain plug out. It's pretty stripped. It's kind of hard working on those with the ramps. So I'm gonna take the car and put it on a lift. And stay tuned for part 2.